Please, oh please, we beg, we pray, go throw your TV sets away, and in its place you can install a lovely bookshelf on the wall. Roald Dahl rightly sent across this beautiful message, extremely apt for today's world. To cut through the sterile habits of children, Bokaro Children's Literature Festival came to Jaipur to cast a spell of books, knowledge, creativity, and stories. The festival was a melange of interesting sessions including storytelling, book reading, craft sessions, and art exhibition taking place at Jaipur's Jawahar Kala Kendra. So let's go and find out how did the first day unfold. I first attended the session of Jerry Pinto, a national award-winning writer who took a session on poem writing for age group 10 to 12.
Preksha, what do you like doing?
Dancing.
So I want you to write about dancing. I want you to choose something you like very much to do and to write one line, not two lines, one line about it. Because after that, writing that first line, then we are going to read out the first lines and then we are going to think about second lines.
With his witty and interactive techniques, he kept the children hooked throughout. He also shared his views on poetry.
पोएट्री को लिखना एक खास कला नहीं है जो सिर्फ थोड़े से लोगों विलियम शेक्सपियर और कबीर के पास है, लेकिन हर कोई पोएट्री लिख सकता है अगर वो चाहे. So the beginning of poetry writing is actually wanting to write poetry. कि आपके अंदर कुछ है जो आप बताना चाहते हैं, लोगों को बताना चाहते हैं पोएट्री के जरिए. और ये एक्सप्रेशन कुछ भी हो सकता है. आप शायद कहानी लिखना चाहते हैं या एक प्ले लिखना चाहते हैं या एक रैप सॉन्ग लिखना चाहते हैं, डू दैट, लाइक डू दिस दैट द अदर. जो भी वो अंदर से होना चाहिए और अंदर से बाहर लाना, सिर्फ उसके लिए थोड़ा सा सीखना पड़ता है. और वो ये वर्कशॉप्स में एक दो मैसेजेस, एक दो क्लूज, एक दो टिप्स मिले.
Next, I went to the Dome where there was a session of Dream Jars by Wendy Cooling. The session was inspired by the book Big Friendly Giant by Roald Dahl, celebrating him on his 100th death anniversary. Everyone seemed really engrossed in making their own dream jars and adding their set of dreams to the collection. The session was for all the age groups and went on for the whole day, letting the Dome witness the enthusiasm of large number of people. I got a chance to speak to Wendy Cooling, who has been involved in projects promoting reading not only in UK but worldwide, about how such festivals create an impact.
I think it's wonderful for children to meet authors and illustrators, and it encourages them to read, and reading develops their vocabulary. And it's important to start when you're very young. Many adults have never learned to enjoy reading. And reading is a kind of resource for life, which we can do when we're feeling sad or whatever. So it's very important that children, when they're very young. In England, I run a project called Book Start, which gives books to babies when they are 6 months old.
Yes.
So it starts with the mum and the baby, or the dad and the baby, and it moves on from there.
We attended this Dreamworks event. Yeah, it was amazing. We just made our Dreamworks and we compiled our chests and made our wishes and kept it in that box. It is hanging there, displaying, and we enjoyed it.
There were other sessions aiming at imparting knowledge about things children might be interested in, like wildlife, along with giving a message of conservation. There was a session, The Serpent Hunters in the Backyards, by Arifa Tehseen, where children got to know about interesting facts about creatures living in their homes.
चाइना के अंदर कॉकरोच फार्मिंग करी जाती है. फार्मिंग मतलब उगाते नहीं है, उनको ब्रीड करते हैं. बहुत सारे कॉकरोचेस को ब्रीड करते हैं, फिर उनको है ना कॉस्मेटिक्स में यूज़ करते हैं. तो यू नेवर नो, आप जो अपनी लिप्स के ऊपर जो लगा रहे हो उसके अंदर अगर अपने ड्राई लिप्स के ऊपर उसमें हो सकता है ड्राई कॉकरोच भी हो. यस, फॉल्स नहीं, दैट इज ट्रू. कॉकरोचेस जा चुके हैं स्पेस में. रशियंस ने भेजे थे, एक भेजा था कॉकरोच जिसका नाम था नागदेवा, और वो जो है वो वहाँ पे स्पेस में गई, एंड दैट वाज द फर्स्ट लैंड एनिमल टू गिव बर्थ इन स्पेस. सो कॉकरोचेस हैव गॉन टू स्पेस आल्सो.
Children and parents were indeed very fascinated by the session.
हमें पता नहीं था कि हमारे बैकयार्ड इतने सारे ना एनिमल्स रहते हैं हमारे साथ और उनके बारे में, उनकी क्वालिटीज़, उनकी वो कौन कौन सी बीमारियाँ फैलाती, उनके बारे में अवेयरनेस जो बच्चों को इंटरेस्टिंग लगा।
Arifa Tehseen, who has written a lot of books on nature, commented on how children are away from nature and how they need to get closer.
Nature does have a great impact on children and adults, everybody. In fact, they term it as the nature deficit disorder nowadays in the West. You know, the children who stay in the cities, they're so far away from nature that it is very important for an overall growth of an individual to be close to nature as well. But nowadays in the city, the children are so away from nature. They don't go to. Most of the times, they are just engaged with their televisions and tabs and phones and video games and all that. So there is a book, in fact, called 3-4 Arguments Against the Elimination of Television, for the elimination of television. And in that, the author says, gerrymander, he says that after some time, when you ask the children, where do oranges grow, they will say in a supermarket. So, we are that away from nature, so we do need to be close to nature.
School children across the city kept the festival lively the whole day because it had something or the other stored in for everyone. The toddlers were busy in their craft corner, learning and creating things they could proudly show to their parents. There was a doodling wall for the little artists where they could paint their dreams and also learn the traditional art of fud painting.
फड पेंटिंग एक्चुअल में नैरेटिव आर्ट होती है जिसको कहानी को गा करके सुनाने की पुरानी परंपरा रही है। ये पेंटिंग कपड़े पर बनाई जाती है और इसमें प्राकृतिक रंगों का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। राजस्थान की लोक गाथाओं के ऊपर बनाई जाने वाली ये चित्रकला 700 साल पहले का इसका पीरियड रहा है।
अच्छा।
700 सालों से ये कला मेरे परिवार में चली आ रही है, जो मैं अभी तक भी कर रहा हूँ।
After taking a round, I'd gone back to the Jerry Pinter session where I found him surrounded with children who were excited to show him their piece of poem. He also recited a Robert Frost poem for them. He undoubtedly became favorite of the little kids.
From what I've tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if the world should perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is great and will suffice.
अब तक आपको फेस्टिवल कैसा लग रहा है? आपने कौन कौन सा सेशन अटेंड किया?
कहानी ट्री, हैप्पी थिएटर और पोएम विद पिंटू।
आपने किस पे पोएम लिखी थी?
मैं एनिट लाइटर, मैंने प्लेइंग बास्केटबॉल, मैंने आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट, मैंने विशेष।
उसमें भी मजा आया? Under the Kahani tree were the storytelling sessions where the storytellers were jumping and singing and dancing, gripping the attention till the end.
वो अपनी गदा को लेकर उड़े 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 और पेड़ों को गिराया इधर इधर उधर, और रावण के जितने असुर थे वो उसके पीछे भागने लगे।
बहुत दूर एक छोटे से गांव में, गांव था जंगल के पास, वहां पे एक दिन एक बड़ा विशाल सफेद रंग का बड़ा सा दानव आया। एक तिनका, तिनके पे एक छोटा सा कैटरपिलर और आसपास क्या? हरियाली इधर उधर, हरियाली इधर उधर, हरियाली। किसी की आवाज नहीं आ रही है मुझे? हरियाली इधर उधर, हरियाली इधर उधर, हरियाली इधर उधर।
Ajidas Gupta, a storyteller and a part of Kahani organization, stressed on the importance of choosing the right story for the children.
So I try to tell stories in which the children will have fun first, and then what is also important is that it opens the imagination. So they question beliefs, they question their own thoughts. Like if you heard the story in the morning, it was about Buddhu Chalak. So the notion that you have to be Chalak is something that you need to question. Is being Chalak important all the time? Yeah. And then the second story was about how can you conquer your fears as children, because that's something we're always afraid of things. So children should have fun, but at the end of the day they should go back thinking, ye soch ke maza aaya. This is something that I can think about.
Finally, I got a chance to meet Swati Roy, one of the festival directors, who shared with me the basic motive behind this event.
We are, of course, studying as an inherent part of growing up, but we are trying to create some enjoyment around books. So we are trying to bring children and books together by creating various avenues in which they can enjoy their reading. Once a child is a reader, he can read anything later on. But for that initial interest in reading, this kind of a festival is very important. That's what we are trying to do in various ways. So some children may be interested in fiction, some might be interested in non-fiction, some may just like to do doodling or craft. So we offer everything, but the central theme is a book. So the person who's conducting the session has a book most of the time. If it is a storyteller, then he's telling a story out of a book.
Yes.
So that's what we are doing. We are just creating excitement around books and making books come alive for children.
The last event I attended was a spoken word performance by Parnam Mukherjee, one of the leading theatre nomads. His performance was a tribute to Jawaharlal Nehru, along with encompassing the aspects of modern reality. His ways of illustration were extremely captivating, and I couldn't move my eye even for a second. The day finally ended, making me marvel at the efforts of everyone who was a part of the festival. With a start like this, hopefully the country will witness more such initiatives which will enlighten the children of the country with literature, art, and importance of knowledge.